In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Authenticator on phone. By the end, you'll know how to get the app, add your account with a QR code, and use it for both passwordless sign-in and two-factor authentication. First, grab the Microsoft Authenticator app from your phone's App Store. On Android, open the Google Play Store. On iPhone, use the Apple App Store. Search for Microsoft Authenticator and make sure it's the official one from Microsoft. Install it like any other app and let it finish updating so you have the latest security features. Next, open the app and tap Add Account. If you're launching it for the first time, you may see a brief intro. Go ahead and continue. When prompted, allow notifications. Those alerts are how you'll quickly approve sign-ins. The Add Account button is your starting point for connecting any new service you want to protect. Now choose the account type and scan the QR code provided by the service you're setting up. For most workplace or school logins, pick Work or School Account. For a personal Microsoft account, pick Personal Account. On your computer, begin the security setup for that account. When you see the QR code on the screen, point your phone's camera at it. If the app asks for camera access, allow it so it can scan. Hold steady and keep the code within the frame. If scanning doesn't work right away, increase your screen brightness and make sure both devices are online. Once it links successfully, you'll see the account appear in the app. Here's how Microsoft Authenticator works for passwordless sign-in. When you try to sign in to a supported Microsoft service, you won't need to type a password. Instead, a prompt appears asking you to open Microsoft Authenticator, match a number on your screen, and then confirm with your phone's biometric or device PIN. This protects you with something you have, your phone, and something you are or know, like your fingerprint or PIN. If a prompt doesn't arrive, open the app directly to check for pending approvals and confirm you have an internet connection. Finally, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer after your password. You'll either receive a push notification to approve, or you can open the app to read the 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Those time-based codes work even without internet, which is handy when traveling. Only approve prompts you expect, and ignore any approval requests you didn't initiate. That's it. Download the app, add your account with the QR code, and use it for secure passwordless sign-ins or reliable two-factor codes whenever you need them.